Hey guys, it's Becky. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about putting outfits together to suit your style. So in my closet edit video, I talked a little bit about buying a bunch of items and bringing them into my wardrobe that really didn't suit my style and didn't really fit like authentically me. And I was getting dressed the other day and had this moment of like, this is exactly what I was talking about. So in putting together the outfit, I knew I wanted to wear these black trousers. These are the Effortless pant from Aritizia. Love these pants. They're so comfortable. They're not a super wide leg. They're kind of like a straight leg. They do have pleats in the front. These are a size 2, by the way. But I love these pants, and they are just one of the go-tos in my wardrobe. They're super classic. Can dress them up, dress them down. So I knew I wanted to wear these pants. I also knew that I wanted to wear these DolceVita flats. They're super comfortable for running around, and I think they're very chic and very on trend. You can see the toe has that kind of crinkled leather kind of look. It does have this Mary Jane strap across the top of the foot, and then it is a sling back with just a little baby heel. These are so comfortable, and they're great for looking kind of chic and put together, but comfortable for running around town. So I knew I wanted to wear these and those trousers. So then I started putting together the tops. First, I put together, both of the tops I'm going to show you are from Quince, by the way. This Quince t-shirt. They have the best t-shirts, not sponsored, just loving Quince, love everything Quince. So this is one of their scoop neck t-shirts, and it fits so wonderful. I'll show you a picture of the footage of me styling this. So I styled this with the trousers, and then a very classic Valentino belt. Super classic, is a very, the outfit is awesome, super put together, but it looked kind of stiff to me. So I put it on, I was kind of like, wasn't really kind of like the vibe I was trying to go for. So I decided to change it up and put on this little Quince Cashmere tank top. This thing is so cozy, yet it's cool enough to still be worn in Florida right now because it is sleeveless. But it's a nice thin cashmere. I did get this in the size small. Obviously, I'll link to everything linked down below. I do get the t-shirts in a size medium, by the way. No, I take that back. T-shirts in a small, and the cashmere top is in a small. I decided to pair the cashmere tank top and the trousers with this edgy studded belt. And I thought it really took the outfit to a whole new level. So let me know in the comments what you think about changing the vibe of the outfit and which one you preferred. I went with the tank top and the studded belt and felt like it just matched what I was trying to achieve for the day. I wanted to feel a little bit edgy, yet classy and comfortable, and I really liked it. So then comes the bag situation. And I had gone yesterday to get Botox, which you'll see in another video, and it'll also explain my lips. I was talking to the woman who does my Botox the last time I was there, and I had taken this bag with me. And this is from Urban Revivo, and it is so cool. I love it. It's, kind of edgy. It's got the little fringe detail, the buckle here with kind of like the studded detail around the top of the bag. So cool. It has a nice shoulder strap, also with the kind of the metal, what do they call that, grommets maybe, detail. But this is a super cute bag. So I considered taking this one because I had taken it the last time, and the woman who does my Botox commented on it and then texted me later and asked me where I had gotten this. So obviously I sent her the link and all the things. But I chose this Vince bag. This is a classic shoulder bag. I love it so much. It is a Quince bag. It's got a little magnet detail right here. It's still full of my stuff from yesterday, but it is so good, so classic. I love how it just will sit. It doesn't have feet necessarily, but it does have a flat bottom. So it sits upright like this. For me yesterday, the outfit with the studded belt and stuff, I really wanted the classic bag, and that was kind of the vibe I was going for. And she and I got to talking about my channel and what I'm doing, and I was thanking her for letting me video the process and the procedure and everything. And I had asked her if she got the bag that I had sent her, and she said, no, I haven't. Send me your address because I want to send you this bag because it's just not vibing with who I am. I love the bag by itself. It is super cool, fun, and edgy. When I use this bag, it is like the deep hole. It has no pockets on the inside, so everything just kind of gets thrown in, and then I end up rummaging around and feeling sloppy, and it just isn't user friendly for me. So I'm going to gift her this bag because she liked it. So when we were talking yesterday and I was thanking her for letting me video and stuff, and about how I'm changing my style and doing style videos and that kind of thing, and I pointed to this bag on the counter, and it was kind of an epiphany for me. This bag is kind of me in a nutshell. It's a little bit edgy, but it's timeless. It's a classic. It's a shoulder bag. It's structured, yet I feel really cool when I carry it. When you're getting ready for the day and thinking about how you want to present yourself, take a look at the pieces in your closet and remember that you can always mix and match and switch things up, and you can take these from a classic style to an edgy style with the change of a belt or the change of a top, and it can be so easy, or the change of a bag. So play around with the items in your wardrobe. That's what we're going to do here over the next couple of months when we're transitioning into fall, is taking what's in our wardrobe, and I'm going to show you how I put together outfits and give you different tips and tricks and ideas on how you can mix and match items like I did in this video today. So I hope you found this helpful. Leave a comment down below which outfit style you like the best, either the striped top or the cashmere tank top. Also leave a comment of which bag you liked, the Urban Revivo fringe bag or the Quince shoulder bag. Subscribe to the channel, it really helps me a lot, and I'll see you next time.